The secret sauce behind making thousands of dollars with just AI and Google Trends. I'm about to drop some serious knowledge on how you can make a big profits with this killer strategy. I've stumbled upon a channel that's cracked the code with just 176 videos and already snagged nearly 9,000 subscribers. But wait, there's more. This channel doesn't just stop at impressive subscriber counts. It's racking up between 20,000 and 90,000 views daily, totaling a whopping 900,000 views every month, with the average RPM for news and politics channels ranging from $1 to $6. They're likely pulling in around $2,700 monthly. And trust me, that's a conservative estimate. I'm betting they're making way more. And here are some other channels doing same. These channels tap into trending topics with massive search volumes and craft engaging videos around them. By building a dedicated audience this way, they turn views into serious cash. I'm going to break down this process for you step by step, but here's the kicker. Consistency is key. To really make this formula work, aim to upload at least 14 videos a week. That's just 2 videos a day, and with the right tools, it's a breeze to manage. So no need to stress, it's totally doable and well worth the effort for those skyrocketing views. Google Trends is your secret weapon for uncovering the hottest topics right now. Head over to Google Trends, click on Trending Now, and you'll instantly see a variety of hot topics. Use the filters to set the location to your preference. Switch to Show Active Trends, the trending time to the past 24 hours. This will give you a real-time snapshot of what's buzzing, whether it's sports, politics, or celebrity news. For example, let's dive into the National Dog Day trend. You'll see a trending graph, and right below it, you will see a breakdown of the trend and also a list of popular news articles related to it. Our goal here is to transform these articles into compelling YouTube videos. Here's how you do it. To do that, we are going to use an AI tool called Invideo AI. Invideo AI is the easiest app to create AI videos. This easy AI video maker turns your ideas into engaging videos with ease. Simply enter your idea, and this advanced AI video generator crafts a complete video including a script, voiceover, media, and text. Alright, let's dive into turning your article into a video using this powerful tool. First, click on Explore All and select the News Video option. This incredible feature lets you transform articles into videos with just one click. Now, start by filling out the details for your video. You'll need to describe things like the duration, tone, and overall style of your video. A handy tip is to copy the title of the article you're using and paste it into the topic field. This helps keep everything focused and relevant. Feel free to add any extra information you think is necessary, like how long you want the video to be and the style you're going for. Next, it's time to provide the article link. Just grab the URL from your article, paste it into the designated field. This tells the tool where to find all the content it needs to create your video. After that, you'll want to add some background music. Just enter what type of mood you need. I'm going with a happy mood. Then comes the voiceover. You can pick from a variety of AI voices, or for a more personal touch, clone your own voice. This will give your video the perfect sound. Finally, add subtitles to your video. You'll have different options for how they appear, so choose the style that best fits your video. Once you've customized everything to your liking, hit Continue. Now you get your detailed prompt to generate video. Now click Generate Video. Now watch as your article transforming into a fantastic video.
Hey there, dog lovers! Today is a special day in the Low Country because it's International Dog Day 2024. Charleston, South Carolina is bursting with tail wags and barks as residents flood social media with pictures of their furry friends.
Cool, right? If you're not completely happy with the output, don't worry. Invideo has got you covered. If you want to make tweaks, just click on the tab to command Invideo to adjust things however you like. For instance, let's say you want to change the entire music track to something more cinematic and switch up the caption style. Just select the options you want and hit Generate.
Today is a special day in the Low Country because it's International Dog Day 2024. Charleston, South Carolina is bursting with tail wags and barks as residents flood social media with pictures of their furry friends.
See? Now, your video's music and caption style are exactly as you wanted. But that's not all. You can also edit the script and visuals. Simply click on Edit to start making changes. If you want to update the visuals, choose the ones you want to change, search for new ones, and pick the best fit for your script. Now you can look visuals automatically updated. Need to tweak the script itself? Click on Edit Script and adjust it as needed. Once everything looks perfect, click Download and your video will be saved and ready to go. And that's it! You're all set to create amazing videos with just a few clicks.
Hey there, dog lovers! Today is a special day in the Low Country because it's International Dog Day 2024. Charleston, South Carolina is bursting with tail wags and barks as residents flood social media with pictures of their furry friends. It's a day dedicated to appreciating dogs of all shapes and sizes, and the unique joy they bring into our lives. So, let's dive into why this day is so special.
This outcome is absolutely fantastic. I'm thrilled with how it turned out. It took us less than 10 minutes to create this awesome video. This means we can produce more content in less time, boosting our chances of going viral. Want to take those chances even further? As you saw with Google Trends, you can explore different trends from various locations. Another great feature, Invideo AI supports a wide range of languages. You can easily dub your videos into other languages using the text box provided.
嗨，大家好，爱狗人士们！今天对洛康提地区来说是一个非常特别的日子，因为今天是20。
Remember, consistency is key. If you upload at least 2 videos per day, you'll start seeing fantastic results. You can try out Invideo AI for free, but if you're committed to making the most of this side hustle, I strongly suggest upgrading to the paid plan to unlock all the premium features. Check the description below for a link to a special discount. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon for notifications, and share your thoughts in the comments.